At Orbital Service Group, we are more than just a manufacturer. We are a one-stop solution for innovation, precision, and excellence, all done entirely in-house. From concept to creation, every step happens right here at our state-of-the-art facility in Germany. Our unique strength lies in keeping everything under one roof. Research and development, design, prototyping, and manufacturing. It's all done by our dedicated team of experts. This seamless integration ensures unmatched quality, faster turnaround times, and tailored solutions for every client. Every product we make is crafted with precision and care. Our skilled workforce and cutting-edge technology ensure exceptional results. Our commitment to quality is visible in every detail. At Orbital Service Group, it's about creating solutions that drive success. We work closely with our clients to understand their needs, delivering products that exceed expectations and stand the test of time. When you choose Orbital Service Group, you're choosing expertise, innovation, and a trusted partner for all your precision manufacturing needs. Proudly designed, developed, and delivered, all in-house. Orbital Service Group, the future of orbital welding.